Guys, I can't believe it's so awesome. Just take a look. I wish I could take it for a ride now. Guys, just check this out. Isn't she beautiful? So, yep, it is almost done. Now I just need to do the wiring. I just wanted to see how it looks uh, with all of these parts. Let me put the engine cover as well. Let's see how it looks with the engine cover. I'll also put the silencer so that mechanically at least it is complete. I'll also put the front mudguard. Then probably we'll start working on the wiring, and hopefully tomorrow we'll get this started. Guys, check this out. Isn't she beautiful? Wow. I never expected it to look this awesome. Shit. I'm simply in love. I never expected to own one in the first place. I'm actually a little emotional now. I can't express this in words. Let me just put that front monogram as well. Let's see how that looks. But there is a lot of work pending. At least half a day worth of work is pending on this. I have to do the wiring. I have to connect the carburetor to unit. But the good point is it is ready. I have to also rebuild the front caliper and the master cylinder. But tell you very honestly, though we had a pretty horrible paint job, you can't really see it. You know, you have to really come close to see it. Like from this distance, I can't see the flaws in the paint. So I think I'm going to live with it for the time being. I know some of you might hate me for that, but I really don't care. I'm in love. It's such an awesome feeling. Uh, can't wait to ride her. So yeah, so that's about it. Uh, I know it's pretty late, so enjoy watching the video. And I had a lot of fun doing what I did today. So have fun watching it. So hopefully in the next video, um, the bike would be running. Fingers crossed. Uh, so yeah, thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye bye.